Hey guys, I'm Sarah. Every week I comb through hundreds of DIY videos preparing for projects for a weekly maker show, Make or Break. Along the way I find some good ones and some great ones, and right now I'm gonna share them with you. This is Sarah's top 5 DIY home gyms. Let's get started with number 5. Eric from Spenceley Design Co. shows us all that it doesn't take much to start your own home gym. In this video, he walks you through how to set up a pull-up chin bar with just a couple tools and some 2x4s. He used a 36-inch piece of black pipe that was 3/4 inch in diameter for his pull-up bar. He provides you with an entire cut list and plans as well, so if you're looking for a starting point to make your own home gym, this is perfect. Nick Uhas is number 4. Nick started off his home gym build with recycling old projects and using materials he had around the house. You can find most for what he used for this project at your local home improvement store. You know, if you don't have the supplies laying around your house. One of the perks of building your own home gym is you can customize it to exactly what you want for your workout routines. Nick used a lot of 2x4s, 4x4s, and black pipe for his gym, but my favorite part about this build is that he couldn't find weights online, so he got creative and built his own using simple supplies found from Home Depot. Next up is number 3. Glenn from DIY Creators made his home gym using mostly 2x6s, plywood, and a whole lot of threaded inserts. Now, if your gym has a final resting place and doesn't need to be moved around, you can just screw the wood together instead of using the inserts. But this makes his gym easy to take apart and move if he needs to. Seriously, Glenn goes above and beyond to share every step of his build, and it would take me forever to go through all of the details here. So you really need to go watch this video for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Glenn, your gym turned out amazing, and your little helper is absolutely adorable. Thanks for sharing. Number 2 is Homemade Modern with his DIY fold-out gym. I mean, who doesn't need a fold-out gym in their life? Am I right? Okay, so he made this entirely out of plywood and wasted no time cutting down the sheets into strips using his table saw. First, he built the back of the cabinet one layer at a time until he reached a depth that was needed to be able to hide the weights inside. Then he moved on to securing that part of the cabinet to the wall and the ceiling. Next, he added dowel rods where the weights were going to be stored and then tested it to make sure it would hold the weight. Then it was time to build the drawbridge front that would double as a mat for when he was using the weights. All that was left was to add the pull-up bar, some gym foam mats for the drawbridge, and the weights. This is a super creative build, and I really like that you can easily store everything out of sight. And finally, coming in at number 1 is Ben Wolf and his outdoor gym. I feel like this is the best combination of jungle gym and bodyweight gym. Ben starts off by showing you the digital plans to help give you a better picture of what the end goal looks like. Now, this is not a small build, and even though it's pretty simple, these are huge sections made to support a lot of weight. This backyard gym is complete with a cardio platform, parallel bars, exercise rings, a climbing rope, and a pull-up bar. Honestly, if I had this in my backyard, I would probably work out. Okay, maybe not. Anyway, this one is sick. Alright, do me a favor and like this video, and if you have not already subscribed, please do that now and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our shows that come out during the week. We'll see you then.